We are looking at files from Automate the Boring Stuff. So if you're at automatetheboringstuff.com, then after the table of contents, there's additional content. If you download files in this book, there's a zip. You unzip it, and so you download it, unzip it, and there's a directory like this with a bunch of Python files. So anything that's in the book where there's a file name listed, probably that is contained in this list. So there's hello.py. If I look over here, there's hello.py. So you can open that in, if you have Python installed on your computer, you can open it with idle. And this is some version of their hello.py. That was from the previous chapter, but I can run it. Click run module. Okay, so or if you wanted to, you could transfer that file to your account on the CS server. Right, you could take any of these files, transfer them to your account if you wanted it to run on the CS server as well. The chapter 2, there were a few files that would be kind of interesting. So rock paper scissors game is developed in the chapter. You can read through how they do it, but then we could check it out here. Looks like it's not there. Let's see. Okay, that one's not there. Let's see what else. The guessing game. Guess the number. Let's see if that one's there. There's guess the number. And this one was a number guessing game. That tells me I'm too high or I'm too low. So that took me that many times. And there's the code. Okay, so if you get the zip downloaded and you store it somewhere and you get any of the files working, then anytime in the book where you see a .py,